cool.
Yeah, it's awesome, isn't it?
Right.
Awesome. Right, boys and girls, welcome back to Friday Night Garage Night. As you can see, we've got it on the jig now. Well, yeah, we did last week, but I've done some work to it during the week. I've put the casters on it, and I've got the support bar underneath. That's all done as well now, so I'm quite confident now we can turn it around and all the rest of it. So the plan is tonight we're going to do some welding under the floor just to finish all of that off. While my son's doing that, I'm going to start doing some bits and pieces on the front where the flanges meets the inner wings to the floor, just to dress that up so we can get some stitch welds in there, just to make it a wee bit stronger, stuff like that. And I think that's all we're doing tonight, isn't it? Really, yeah.
Just gonna finish off the floor.
Just finish off the floor and that stuff like that. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Right then, boys and girls, that's us finished for tonight. Not much footage tonight really, it's just a wee bit tidying up on the welds and some stitch welding and stuff like that. So we'll let you see what we've done and see what you think. So my son's finished off all the welds along here. You can see all up there. Same again up the top there. And then along the all down here. So that's all been done. So I'm happy with that. That's bro, that lovely. And then we've done some stitch welds in here. Then it obviously continues along the tunnel, along there, and the same again along the top. We've done the sills as well, as you can see along the top there.
Oh, yeah.
Done those 4, and then these 4 here, because there's obviously got the cross member coming down here, like that, so we can get inside the car to weld them. So we've done them. So what I'll do during the week, I'll just dress up all the back end. I will film it as well during the week, so we'll get it all prepped, sanded, etch primed. I was going to use what is primer? What's the other one called? Epoxy primer. But I've gone for the etch route because it's easier to sand. It doesn't clog up on your paper and score it all. So, like I said, I'll clean it all up with the old DA and get it all etch primed. I'm going to put I think the other thing I've got to do left now on the floor is just the battery channel, which is here. That's off the saloon. Obviously I won't need as much as that. It comes across around here somewhere. I need to find out because I forgot where it came from. So that'll go on. We've got the drip rails as well, they've came, so we can put them on as well. And it's a seat belt mounts for here. So if somebody can maybe let me know to this ridge here.
There's a handbrake.
Yeah, so I think it's over here somewhere. So the distance from the handbrake out where the holes are, if they can let me know what that is, that'll be much appreciated on that. I did phone up for them to get that part. They don't do it apparently, so we'll have to make them up. So that's where we are just now. So hopefully next week we'll see us starting putting getting some stuff on the floor, get it painted and stuff like that. I have got I've ordered some stuff for the subframes as well now, obviously to build them up. So we've got a new powder coated rear subframe. I've kept the other one for my next project, so I won't tell you what that is just now. You have to wait and see. So I've got one for there. I'll probably get another one for the front. I'm not sure yet. Order up all the new, obviously, you know, all the drums, wheel cylinders and brake pipes and stuff like that, getting us ready now for that. So you know, we are getting there, so it won't be long now. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you again next week. Thanks very much. Bye for now.